Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, we've all familiarized ourselves with nasal swab tests. Unfamiliar, however, is how these tests actually work. Senova GreenLight is a rapid lateral flow test for Covid-19 antibodies. With a small digital cassette inside the test device, Senova GreenLight connects with a digital high-tech minilab to evaluate samples accurately and without human error. Inside, a spectral sensor records the data and via Bluetooth connects with a smartphone app to rapidly provide users with results data. When the process is finished, the entire dataset is sent to the app. The app in turn sends it to the cloud, which evaluates it and sends the result back to the app, where the data is visible. Senova GreenLight was developed at this production facility, here in Weimar, Germany. But coronavirus isn't the only thing on their mind here. So the idea behind the project was not to develop another coronavirus rapid test, but rather a platform for digital testing at home and in a professional environment, which can be extended to many analytes and clinical questions. Coronavirus is sort of our flagship, the pilot product, and foundation for a larger family of products based on this platform. In the future, novel tests will be used across multiple areas, from testing for Ebola or iron deficiency to heart disease. Many things are already possible today, not only in theory but also in practice. Numerous companies were involved in this project, with MKF and OMRON, together planning, building and commissioning this entire facility. The customer has given great confidence to everyone involved. They had an absolutely brilliant idea when looking at the facility: future viability. We can duplicate the facility and use it to produce 25,000 more different products without reinventing the wheel. Absolutely future-oriented. The idea for lateral flow test kits originated at AMS. The sensor specialists had been looking for a partner from the world of medical devices to develop and manufacture the groundbreaking tests. We supply technology that combines light source and spectral sensor. By that we mean a very sensitive sensor that can precisely measure the lines on the test cassette, and manufacturing such sensors is what we at AMS are specialists in. These sensor chips are now at the heart of a new generation of tests that will help millions of people around the world rapidly test and get results with ease through their mobile devices. Within as little as 9 months, Senova GreenLight went from ideation to fully operational facility, with every company involved pulling together to make it a reality. Not only was there the challenge of a tight time frame, but also integrating systems like image processing, conveyor and safety technology, as well as over 30 robots from OMRON. We specialize in many areas of robotics, including that of fixed robotics, SCARA robots, and Quattro Delta kinematics. In addition, we develop collaborative robots that can work with the use of an operator. And finally, we're in the process of developing a new area of mobile robotics and application to the intralogistics system within production. Everything in Senova GreenLight is controlled by OMRON's Eye automation platform. Even before the first test run, specialist teams had already virtually tested and optimized the entire system. Simultaneously, 1 million tests are being produced here at the facility each month. Accordingly, these tests have to be labeled rapidly with text and an individual QR code, which is then later assigned to each individual test in the mobile app. The challenge in this case was to achieve high contrast marking in as little time as possible. To do this, we conducted various tests with colleagues and then evaluated the laser that was best suited for this marking task. Currently, Senova GreenLight's lateral flow Covid-19 antibody tests are in production at the facility, but other tests are planned to follow. We're looking forward to future developments on this platform. For a company like Senova, this is of course a game changer for us. We now represent what is probably the most technologically advanced production park for point-of-care applications in Europe. And that is of course a very special honor and challenge for us. This is a project in which many have worked hand in hand for a better, healthier world. We understand the social significance of what we've built here. In terms of our corporate philosophy and contributing something to society, there was, of course, an opportunity in this regard to be proactive and not reactive. and also to realize things that we would perhaps not have been able to implement on a normal scale.
Umfang vielleicht in der Form nicht so hätten umsetzen können.
The cloud has evaluated the data and provided us with a result. The app also shows that the test result is now available, and in this case the result is thankfully negative. For Senova GreenLight, the future looks promising.